How's it going, YouTube? Just to see if anyone could give me a hand on my bike. It's being a little weird. It won't run right. Keeps shutting off after I try and start it. See if the battery actually has some juice in it right now though. So basically what it does when it has a full battery, just it does it a little bit longer. It turns over when it wants to, but after a while it just decides to cut out if I hit the gas. No, it's not pretty, but the motor was running good when I got it. That's basically why I bought it. If anyone can give me a hand, see why it's not starting, leave me a comment.